What can Liftboss do for you? Parts and service on all makes and models. New and used equipment sales. If you don't need to buy one, they can rent you one, short or long term. Liftboss.ca. Whatever it takes to help you get the job done. Liftboss.ca.
Liftboss is Alberta's one-stop dealership for material handling needs and proud distributor of JCB. For over 75 years, JCB has led the way in groundbreaking machinery, improving safety and efficiency. The Liftboss experience delivers JCB quality and innovation in comprehensive solutions for all equipment, including service, parts, sales, and rentals. Find the right lift to rent or the exact parts for the job from their friendly staff. Reliable products and services tailored to your needs. Liftboss.ca.
Liftboss JCB and Bowie Bear Marketing proudly present the 2024 Builder Block Expo.
On May 4th, join us at Edmonton Landscape Centre, located at 19115 Stony Plain Road, for an exciting trade show event. Get ready for mouth-watering food and cutting-edge product demos presented by Greenworks, Liftboss JCB, Belgard, Techniseal, Manderley Turf, Southwest Greens, and more. Rub elbows and network with industry experts and kickstart your next landscape project with over $25,000 available in product giveaways. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your landscape game. This event is in partnership with Liftboss JCB. See you there.
Hey, it's Jackie Ray. You trust your equipment to work hard for you every day, all day. You can't afford downtime with equipment problems. Liftboss JCB has you covered. Whether you need parts, service, or a new or used machine, Liftboss JCB will ensure you get back to work as quickly as possible. Alberta-owned and operated, Liftboss JCB delivers customer service you can trust on all makes and models of construction or material handling equipment. When it breaks, call the boss. Liftboss. LiftbossJCB.ca.
All right, everybody, stand up. You got a big old beard, bushy beard, dirty beard, clean beard. It don't matter. Whatever you want. There you get some. Show it off. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Ah, yeah. There you go. Yeah, this is the commercial.
Need parts or service for your equipment? Liftboss JCB can help. We service all makes and models of material handling and construction equipment. That means less downtime. Liftboss JCB. Whatever it takes to help you get the job done. Liftboss.ca.
Get the job done with Liftboss, your trusted construction partner in Alberta. We're not just skid steers. We handle it all. Excavators, wheel loaders, telehandlers, backhoes, forklifts, and more. Whether you have one machine or a fleet of 20, Liftboss has you covered. Plus, service and parts for all makes and models, new and used equipment sales, and short or long-term equipment rentals. Visit us today in Edmonton and Calgary. Liftboss.ca. Whatever it takes to get the job done. Liftboss.ca.
Let us show you how easy it is to get into a JCB skid steer. Lift higher, reach further, dig deeper with the world's only skid steer with an extendable boom and side entry. Available at Liftboss Edmonton and Calgary. Liftboss.ca.